Hello guys, today I want to share with you how we use SEO to acquire users for our platform, and just to share with you how you can improve your SEO for your company, project, anything. So first is Search Console. Search Console, of course, is super important and it's something you need to have, and you need to monitor once a month, once a week, depends of how you are into SEO. But Search Console is super important, and you need to focus on the good keywords. Don't try to chase crazy keywords, like something like, for example, in our case, WhatsApp is there, 2 million impressions but only 68 clicks. So I mean, we cannot fight this keyword. This is super competitive. There is a ton of users out there, with WhatsApp in mind. So we cannot fight or pretend to fight. This is a very competitive keyword. We need to focus on more easy to approach keywords, like stories, numbers, WhatsApp country code lists, FAQs, things that we have some traction. There is a high volume, and we can create more content, improve the content we have, update the content we have, create more pages for different countries. This is something very important. I mean, as you can see, we have a lot of users in India, Nigeria, Pakistan, States, Malaysia. So we need to focus on content for these users. So Search Console, very important. And it's very important to check queries and to check your audience. Second, and I think is as important, is YouTube. YouTube is a very important channel to demo your product, because if you are creating an app, a website, a web app, something like that, YouTube is going to become a live demo and a webinar for your users. Your users want to check everything you say is real, and YouTube is a fantastic channel to prove that. And in YouTube you have the same keywords you can find in Search Console, but the user is different. So for example, in our case, we have a lot of ChatGPT, we have a lot of how to use ChatGPT, TikTok, we have WhatsApp link, Linktree. So we have keywords that are important for us. So we are going to keep creating more content. We are going to keep improving the content we have. We are going to keep pushing for these keywords. You need to check what's working, and you need to create more content on top of that. So YouTube, I think, is as important as your website. So I will try to keep both active. Then Google My Business is very humble, but is as important as everything else. You can go to performance, and you can check how you're doing, and you can check what are the queries users use to find you. So the same, if we have WhatsApp as number one, that is very important for us. So this is the same. This is important for your business, it's important for you, it's important for your users. So you need to try to at least check what's going on, what users use to find you. Is your brand, is a generic term like this one? I mean, you need to understand what's going on and what you can use. For example, WhatsApp marketing is a very good keyword. How you can improve your content, your business, your solutions to capture more users like this one. Who is searching for WhatsApp marketing? A business, an agency, someone like that. How you can improve that content to acquire more users. So this is very important. So your website, YouTube, Google My Business. Those are the three main properties you need to consider when working at SEO. And finally, I think it's important to use Google Trends. Google Trends is going to expand what do you think you need to create or what you need to do. You can search your main term, for example, WhatsApp. You can go by country. So let's go to India, for example. And we can try to see what's going on. Good Friday WhatsApp status, download Android. Okay, so you can at least understand what's going on, what's important. Can I do something about this content? Yes or no? That's my decision. But I need to understand what is important for the user, what the user is looking for, what the user needs, what the user wants. So you need to check what's going on. There is a lot of about WhatsApp API, etc. So you can go to another country. Let's go to United States, for example. You can take another time frame, like a week, for example. And let's see. There's Pichore, American Bison. I don't know what's this. Mythbusters, group of snakes. Okay. I don't know how this is related to WhatsApp, but okay, fine. Let's see what we can do about this, no? And then you can go to, this is rising. Rising means it's trending, whatever. And then you have top queries. Top queries are the most popular, and by default are things like that, no? WhatsApp web, WhatsApp app, WhatsApp number, WhatsApp login. But if you keep going, maybe you find something that is interesting for your business, no? Not really. There is nothing much here. So, for example, what we can do is we can go one level down, and it's go to WhatsApp Business. No? WhatsApp Business is more focused on what we do. So let's see what's here. WhatsApp Business download, WhatsApp Business account, WhatsApp API, that's very good. WhatsApp Business API, good. WhatsApp Business Desktop, WhatsApp Business Download. Okay, so there are a few common questions. There are a few, rising terms. So, you can at least understand where is the potential. I mean, those are the most important searches for your users. And also you can see what's going on in terms of where they search. What states are more important. If you go worldwide, this is also, I think, is good. I mean, I use it, and it's to check which countries are more active. Mozambique, Angola, Brazil, Paraguay. That's it. Take it, use it, try to do something or not. That's your decision. But at least understand where is the potential. If we go to WhatsApp API, the same. Hong Kong, you see that the countries change a lot. For example, no? If we search WhatsApp API, it's very different from WhatsApp Business. Hong Kong, Cameroon, Pakistan, Singapore. So what you can do here. And then you have this API WhatsApp Vilma Núñez. I don't know who is Vilma Núñez. So let's see what we can do here. No? For example, this should be something we can do. No, Vilma Núñez. Okay, is here. She's someone creating some content, so maybe we can take over. No, those are things you can try to do. No, I mean, if you do a lot of content for WhatsApp and this is trending, maybe you can take over. So those are things you can try to do, or you can try to improve. Okay, so that's it. Happy Friday. Stay tuned. Of course, we want to share more about how we work, just to help you. And because I think SEO is important, and I think SEO is going to help everyone to get more users. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.